Hi y'all, this is Nick Smiley with the South Atlantic Fishery Management Council Citizen Science Program, and in this video we will learn how to submit a no-release entry in the SAFMC Release project. If you take a fishing trip where you don't release a shallow water grouper or red snapper, please let us know by submitting a no-release report. To do this, open your home screen and select the fourth green button with an X icon. Enter your trip type, your trip date, and enter any comments that you find relevant, like the number of species or the number of fish kept. For example, I caught one scamp over the size limit, so I kept it and didn't release any other fish on the trip. You can also include details like size, depth caught, state or location, hook type, etc. All of these data fields are helpful notes to add in the no-release submission. When you've typed in your information, click the green Upload button on the bottom of your screen, and when your submission is uploaded, a prompt box will let you know that the upload was successful. If you would like a copy of your no-release report entries, contact Julia Bird at the Council office. If you have any questions or need to contact us, hit the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner. You can find our emails, more about the project, training videos, and the Council's social media accounts. When you're done entering data, you can either sign out or you can stay logged in for the next time you use the app to record all of your information on your released shallow water grouper and red snapper species.